Muhammad Ali shook up the world and made it better for all of us. One of the brightest lights ever to shake up the sporting world has now stepped into a better ring. Muhammad Ali, born Cassius Clay, died at the age of 74. He was a global celebrity, a sports hero, an activist, a poet, an all-round mesmerizing individual. Ali will be remembered for his lightning-fast fists and feet, as well as that jaw that never quite stopped jawing before and after fights. His legendary fights against Sonny Liston, Frazier and George Foreman thrilled audiences across the globe. During Ali's meteoric rise, fall, and rise again, his friend and sports journalist Howard Cosell was there, blow for blow. The only three-time lineal heavyweight champion in boxing history, Ali's 56 wins and 5 losses were only outshined by his record outside the ring. Ali was a blaring voice against racial segregation, racism, war, and Islamophobia at a time when all four were at a boiling point in the U.S. Muhammad Ali was a man of the people. He truly was the greatest.
Some poor, hungry people in the mud for big, powerful America and shoot them for what? They never called me nigger. They never lynched me. They never put no dogs on me. They never robbed me of my nationality, raped and killed my mother and father. What, I'm going to shoot them for what? How can I go shoot them? Them little poor little black people, little babies and children and women. How can I shoot them poor people? Just take me to jail.
Like Obama said, Ali shook up the world, and the world is better for it.